Hey yo, just turn me up. Yo, it's been a long time. Turn me up a little bit more. I wanna make sure they can feel me. Turn me up just a little bit more. That. Can you feel me?
Do that shit, do that shit, do it, do that shit, do that shit.
Can you feel me?
Do that shit, do that shit.
My lane right here.
Do that shit, do that shit.
Can you feel me? It's that dance floor. Can you feel me? It's my comfort zone.
Yeah. Let's play a game.
Call him president, he's the next new president. He a senator from Illinois. Yeah, his criteria compared to John McCain, this isn't fair, cause he's BLAC, so the eyes are on he. Through his pencil he write legislation with the country on his mind, and he don't code-ish, cause he ain't got time every second, minute, hour. KKK wanna devour, he got guards ready to pop him with their choppers. Every brother, mother, sister, cousin, grandma wanna hump him. Even got Hillary Clinton on the side ready to jump him. Tell the Clintons couldn't catch him, couldn't stop him. They go by the party rules. If you can't beat him, you can't top him. Thought she'd smack him, couldn't pop him. Delegates couldn't cop him. Bill Clinton couldn't help her, too bad she couldn't drop him. Man, Obama's so ill. Yeah. Obama goes here, Obama goes there, saying yes we can with wife Michelle. He's sitting at every air. He traveled to Arizona, ready to cause some drama. Hope a McCain will comment. Look at that bastard Obama, he's too young, he's too hip. Negroes always causing problems. His pale looking face got him looking like a goblin. I can't, please don't vote for McCain. First day up in office, talking about some hard pain. Call the ambulance quick, all you hear is sirens. His temper isn't private, dang I hate a mad prick. Don't you hate a mad prick? Plus McCain's an old prick. Barack's a younger guy, so choose him, he's the right pick.
Oh my gosh, baby, let me. I did it again, so I'm gonna let go. Oh my, baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you. Maybe I can break you down. There's so many ways to love ya. Got me like, oh my God, I'm so in love. I found you finally. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh my gosh. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh. I fell in love with Shawty when I seen her on the dance floor. She was dancing sexy, pop, pop, poppin', dropping low. Never ever has a lady hit me on the first sight. Yeah, this was something special. This was just like dynamite. Honey got a booty like pow, pow, pow. Honey got some boobies like wow, oh wow. Girl, you know I'm loving your style. Check, checking you out like, oh, she got it all. Sexy from my head to toe. And I want it all and all and all. Baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you. Baby, I can break you down. There's so many ways to love ya. Got me like, oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I found you finally. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh my gosh. You make me wanna say, you make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh.
Fell so hard for honey, out of all the girls up in the club. This one got me whipped just off of one look. If I fell in love, this one's something special. This one just like dynamite. Oh, 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 oh. Out of sight and fell in love with honey like my, oh my. Honey looking wonderful, fly so fly. Honey like a supermodel, my, oh my.
video niyo ibutan na po sa YouTube.
Bata na YouTube.
I-download na ako sa Facebook.
Kami sa Redo.
Pang-hashtag po diyo.
Ano na pulutan na rin nakaon? Dito din nagikan din gagon. Bata. Chat mark. Ako eh.
Tara, video niyo hindi picture ka po.
Murante ha. Hindi na siya. Video na siya.
Ayaw.
Video din.
May ilaw ba? May ilaw. Sa to.
Video din ni dai.
May pa man akong video na, flash.
Ba't lang? Gamitan nato nag-flash.
Toilet, wala yan ba?
Ano daw? Ayun na
Oo.
nagsukat daw. Yaw na lang ko. Sunduay.
Yung po!
Mo na radiboy na to. Baba.
Isa, siya.
Ido.
Ano si Ito di ay?
Dulong na dali. Motor na daw siya.
Yan ba, yan ba?
Mayang gabi, mayang gabi. Di mo maklaro eh.
Ayaw, uy.
Hello.
Ayaw,
Hi lang.
ayaw lagi.
Di kay butang ko di siya. Hoy.
Dili, dili.
Hoy. Hi lang, hi. Ana ba? Oo. Asa naman to mga upload?
Can you feel me?
Do that shit, do that shit, do it, do that
Yeah.
shit, do that shit,
Can you feel me?
do that shit, do that shit,
My lane right here.
do that